This is Massimo Fontana, and I'm going to introduce Fluid Project. The Ethereum community is pretty divided. Traders are in one place, dApps and developers in another place. We have new consumers, of course, but they get lost in this unorganized world. The solution is to invent a new kind of social network and bring all those groups together at the same level. The key comes with Hypercoins, a new way of building ERC20 tokens, allowing you to connect two different coins into a temporary autonomous exchange platform, practically, removing the strict need for third-party application or contracts or agents of any sort. All these hypercoins will form naturally a network we call hyperlayer, over which we build a social layer of information we will use to interact to each other, practically. The system is pretty simple, but of course 5 minutes of this video are not enough. You will find more information at the bottom of the camp. The importance and the benefits coming with a more interactive community are pretty obvious. I believe cryptos will grow exponentially once we will have a real interactive community. This is a little team composed by me, Massimo Fontana, and Sandro Pilia. I have a background in electronics, architecture, advertising, and in my spare time I'm a puzzle designer. Sandro is the economist of the group, and at the moment he is helping with the website, not really with development. I mean, he's my best friend, so he is a reliable guy, and this is the main reason I involved him in the project, and I believe he's the right guy for managing the company in a possible future. We came to the hackathon not to build a real team of hackers. Actually, I believe Layers Machine, that is practically the interface to this world and the object of the hackathon, to be some kind of one-man job, practically. The plan is to gather several projects together, since Layers Machine will be a a Web 2, Web 3 interface. And we are more here for networking, okay? Layers Machine will be a network, the hyperlayer is a network, the community is the missing network we try to build, and of course a network of camps would be a good strategy. During the 5 weeks of the hackathon we expect to have a working hypercoin, hyperlayer, and possibly to have a basic Layers machine to browse the network. So how are we going to impress the judges? Very likely not with this video. Let's say with the magic of hypercoins and the hyperlayer, of course. A new way to browse Ethereum starting from coins. The future is the smart layer. The smart layer is, we could say, where the real money and functionalities are, where all the smart modules are organized, and where we find all the technology we need to transform Layers Machine into a kind of WordPress of coins, where if you own a coin, you can easily, with one click, install a new plugin or a new extension and extend the functionalities of your coin. To the community, I ask to spend a few minutes of your time and ask yourself, how can you exploit our project and get some power out of it? Thank you very much, and good luck for your project.